In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge duplicate contacts in Nutshell CRM. If you've ever found multiple versions of the same person or company in your CRM, you know how quickly that can lead to confusion, split histories, and messy reporting. The good news is that Nutshell gives you two simple ways to spot and merge duplicates, and I'll walk you through both so you can keep your data clean and accurate. First, let's use the automatic duplicate button. Open any person or company record in Nutshell. When Nutshell suspects there's another record that might be the same, you'll notice a duplicate button near the top of the page. Click that to review the suggested match. Take a moment here to compare the details on both records, things like names, company associations, and key contact fields, so you know you're combining the right profiles. When you confirm the merge, the record you're currently viewing becomes the master, and the other record gets merged into it. That means the master stays in place while the duplicate is folded in. A helpful tip is to start from the record that has the most complete, accurate information so that it becomes the master you keep. Now, if you want to find duplicates across your whole database, use the duplicates filter. Head to your people or companies list. Click the filter icon, then scroll down and choose duplicates. Nutshell will display a list of contacts it thinks might be duplicates based on matching details. From this list, open a record you want to review. Just like before, look for the duplicate button on that record and click it to see the suggested match. Review the details, confirm that they represent the same person or company, and complete the merge. Working from this filtered list makes it easy to move through suspected duplicates in a focused, systematic way. A few quick reminders as you merge. Always double-check the details before confirming, and remember that the record you open first becomes the master. If you rely on specific fields for reporting or outreach, verify that those fields look right on the master before you finalize the merge. And if you're managing both people and companies, repeat this process in each area to keep everything consistent. That's it. Use the duplicate button when you're already on a record, or run the duplicates filter to clean up your database in batches. With just a few clicks, you'll reduce clutter, improve accuracy, and keep your team working from a single source of truth.